How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a forearm workout video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurton999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be squeezes. We'll do 15 reps, 5 sets, 75 total repetitions. Great exercise for your forearms. This will really get them jacked up, get them ripped, get the veins popping. So let's do it. 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, I recommend doing both hands. I'm just doing one arm just for demonstration, but make sure you guys do both arms. And I've been fasting all day. I am so hungry. I'm gonna have some coffee right away. That'll help curb the old appetite. But the only thing I've had is I've had 180 calories first thing in the morning. So I had one protein bar, and that is it. It's almost 4 o'clock. No, sorry, it's 3:15 right now. Be eating at 7 o'clock tonight. So another 3 hours, 45 minutes to go, roughly, probably 3.5 hours. And yeah, I will be eating a ton of food. Will my stomach be able to handle a ton? Probably not, because what I found out is generally when you're super hungry, you really don't eat that much. But even so, I won't probably be able to eat more than 1,500 calories. I have currently 2,200 available left for today, so I got a lot left. I was hoping to have supper, then come home and have some chips for a snack. So 6, 7, 8. Woo! Just like that, my friends. Just like that. I got a push-up video after this, pelvic floor, and then abs. So those 3 videos are going to take me 10 minutes a piece. And then I got 3 easy ones after that. So that's pretty sweet too. Then after that, one more video and I'm done for the day. So really not too much left, but still a decent amount. But yeah, by 4:30, it's 3:15 right now. It'd be nice to get an extra 4 videos in. So it'd be nice to get the push-up, the pelvic floor, the abs, and the face fat. That would be nice. And then it just leaves me with 3 videos left. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, I try to hit a certain amount of videos per day. If I'm off by 1 or 2, it really doesn't make that big of a difference. Making 17 videos versus making 18 videos, it really doesn't matter. I have a goal that I try to hit every day. And yeah, again, some days I won't hit it, some days I will. But yeah, make about 90 videos per week. This week I made a little bit more because instead of making 9 videos during the week, there were a couple days where I made 12. So I'd say I'm close to almost 100 videos this week, which is a ton of videos. Oh, I'm currently on, I think, May 25th for making videos. It's only February 8th, so pretty far ahead. Super tired. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh. Forearms are getting a little bit sore. But yeah, I got a push-up video after this. I'm curious. I'm pretty sure I'm doing the regular push-up, which is pretty cool. I am getting leaner, you guys. Currently weighed 183 today. Started off at 206, so 23 pounds dropped. 9 pounds probably water, so I'll say about 14 pounds dropped in 4 weeks. That's roughly 4 pounds a week. That's pretty fast cutting, but I'm doing not too bad, except for today. Today I'm super hungry, just for the simple fact I have been fasting, and I got another 3.5 hours of fasting probably. So I haven't actually fasted, but I'm just trying to limit my calories to about 200 so far. Okay, that's it. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.